YouTube, it's Famous Mikey back with another video, man. I hope y'all had an amazing January the 1st. Man, it is a new month, February the 1st. Yes, I'm dropping content every 2 days or every day. With that being said, it is February the 1st, man. Small content creators, let's grow, let's keep on growing, man. I've been watching a lot of people's channels, man. I love y'all channels, man. And it's February the 1st, man. Like, dude, it's going so fast, bro. It's 365 days out of the year, man. And it's already February the 1st. My birthday is 8 days away. My birthday is February the 9th. So, with that being said, stay tuned to my channel because I am about to be vlogging that day. I am about to upload content that day. So, with that being said, let's continue to grow. I hope everybody have an amazing first quarter, man. With that being said, man, we about to go outside real quick in the cold, real quick. I just want to start my car up real quick because it's February the 1st. I want to start my car up for an amazing month, for an amazing year we're all about to have. With that being said, man. Whoa, boy. What? With that being said, man. You know, man, keep on growing. I can't screen no more. I'm outside, so with that being said, man, I hope everybody have an amazing month, bro. Have an amazing month, man. Have an amazing month, man. Hey, you see me, gang? Let's start this bad boy up. Let's see what's about to happen in this bad boy. Oh. Yo. That's not good. Oh, man. If you ain't watched my last video, go watch my other video, man. This is why I be saying about owning a car like that and you can't support the don't get any cars if you can't keep the maintenance updated and stuff like that. This is a prime example video. I just came outside. I just about to start my car up. Now the battery is dead. Crazy. So, man, let's fix this battery, man. Oh, my God. What a February 1st it is. This was not the plan. Let's see what's happening in this baby. What's happening in this baby? No, you ain't trying to come off, motherfucker. Okay, that's one of them. Right there. It got a stick or something, so I'm guessing it's that one. Hey, bro. Make sure you drive your Mopars during the winter time, bro. I just drove my car like this first time this winter, like a couple days ago. It was cool. It was starting. You feel me? But nah, the battery dead. That's crazy. But let's see if it start up though. Hey, famous Mikey, you heard me? Hey, I already know all the rules. Don't try this at home, man. That if it start up though. Subscribe to the channel, dog. For real, for real. Famous Mikey back another bag for y'all.